let's talk about something a little bit on the funnier side and the better side. So last week we did talking about some of the things that were left behind in Ubers and some of the crazy stuff, and we had a lot of fun with that one. And then you got this ride options list that is 10 different ride options that's available for a person. And it's kind of funny and different, and yeah, we could have a little bit of fun with this. So
I think it's brilliant. I think Cameron is brilliant. I mean, I'm not going to put everything about him, but his name is Cameron. And in his car, in the back seat, he has these, laminated things, right? Like you know how you have a menu,
a little ordering,
menu,
little menu,
yeah,
little menu.
yeah, menu. Yeah, menu. Ride type menu.
Yep.
I mean, I think it's cute. Yeah, I mean, it may offer, it may get some tips. So, awkward ride, the funny ride, the silent ride, my type, the creepy ride. I don't know about that one. I don't think that's.
Well, hold on. Let's go through it. So,
okay.
You ignore this menu completely, and we sit in silence for the remainder of the ride. So, right there, it's just it's pretty funny. So, then he goes right to the funny ride. I tell you jokes or entertaining stories from my life. The silent ride. The creepy ride. I don't say anything, but I keep staring at you in the rearview mirror. So that's 4 different ones, and then we got a few more. So the 5th one is the karaoke ride. So we rock out the hits from the 80s to early 2000s, or literally whatever you want. Bubbles ride. We blow bubbles the whole time.
What the
That's
fuck?
fun. The small talk ride. We talk about how crazy the weather's been lately, and I ask if you've caught the game last night. The therapy ride. You vent to me about your problems, and I listen. The drunk ride. You throw up in my car. The cliche ride. You ask me how long I've been driving for Lyft. So, and then it says, okay, the bubbles that goes on. And then there's some more options I'd love to see added, though. The pep talk ride. You need encouragement. I'll give you everything I got you to pump you up. The tour guide ride. I share interesting details about places we pass and offer advice on cool things to do around the area. And the life story ride. We estimate how long your ride's going to be, set a timer, and each share life story for half the ride.
Yeah. All right. I like this. I think it's a cool, icebreaker kind of a thing, right? I mean, yeah. I think so.
I mean, literally, besides the bubbles ride, I think everybody probably has had this type of had every single ride.
I've had all of them. Yeah, all of them.
Even the tour guide and the life story and the pep talk, and it's like, okay, I don't need to hear your life story, but keep going. I'll just listen, but I'm really listening.
Yeah, but they do it. You play therapist for like $10 for half an hour.
Yeah.
Bro. Yeah, bro. They go like, I hate my boyfriend. It's
always the ride that's like 45 minutes, and it's just like, oh, please get out of my freaking car. And you just sit there and you're like, yep,
my style is number 3, quiet ride. I offer you a quiet ride. I will always say good morning, good afternoon, have a great day, have a good evening, whatever. But if you get in, you need to take the first shot. I mean, I'm a talker, as you all know, but if you don't talk to me, I ain't talking to you. I'm gonna send it.
That's just called reading the room. I mean, honestly, that's reading the room. So many people just don't know how to read the room. Yeah, but then again, even passengers don't know how to read the room when they're going a little
get them
with their stuff.
Jail instead of monetary penalties and lawsuits. Can we? Okay, hold on a second. Sabin, thank you for the super chat. Number 1. Think about this, Sabin. Into 2008 financial crisis, how many countrywide executives went to jail? How many?
0.
None. And they stole hundreds of billions of dollars to the point of the government bailing them out. You think the government is going to go after Darak or Shoshai? No, but we appreciate it. So yeah, anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. I bet you, I would have liked to know, he should have put it like what his tip percentages,
Yeah, that would have been cool. But yeah, I thought that was kind of cool and interesting when you sent that over for today's show. So, all right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.